Hello guys, I am Asif and I am going to show you how to make an Windows application. You can make this Windows application by following few easy steps. To make an Windows application, you should have an compiler, that is Visual Studio. If you have not this compiler, then you can download it from Microsoft website. I have this compiler. Now I am going to run this. Okay, this is the start page of this compiler. To make an Windows application, you should make a new project, or to make a new project you can click here, or you can go to file, then click on new project. Now choose your .NET framework for your project. I am choose .NET 3.5. Now type your project name. I am typing my project name, my first Windows app. Okay, now click OK. The project created. You can resize your project. Now you can drag and drop some buttons, text box, label on, and text box, and another button. Now set the label on text value. I am setting the text value is enter text. In text box, you can resize your text box size. I am resizing. Then you can click on multi-line. Then you can make your text box size as multi-line. Now I am resizing my button. Now I am changing my button name. So message. Okay. Now I am changing my window name by click on window, then go to text and write my first Windows app. Okay, that's it. To make some action on this button, to make some action on this show message button, click on this button. Okay, now write dim to declare an variable txt equal to text box on dot text message box txt. Okay, that's it. Now save it, then run it by click on start. Okay, your project is created. Now write some text. Click on show message. It shows your message. Okay, that's it.